Hello, have I got something to show you, hence this. Right then, now prior to showing you this, I figure what I'll do is I plan to list this very soon, so I figure I'll let you guys, it's a heads up. I'll sell it pretty cheap, it's a real deal, all the bells are there. It's a real deal Buddhist piece right there. So, real deal Buddhist piece. That'll sell quite cheap, so those of you that view this, bam, you've got probably first opportunity to know about that. So there you are. Okay, so this particular bell here, Japanese temple bell, bronze Buddhist, the real deal, and this is a beauty. It's just perfect in every way. It's like just beautiful. We're talking about our estimations. It's roughly the 1930s, likely earlier. It's likely older, but the guys are saying they're quite comfortable with saying, 1930s is would be very close. There's no script, no kanji, no cracks. They're casting lines. See these things here? It's just in remarkable condition. Even the top piece is there. It's just really, wow. A great patina inside. I'll get a photo sorted out of that, and it's just great. Sound-wise, I'll even just give it a slight. What's it? Absolutely beautiful. It's just perfect. No cracks, and probably one of the greatest sounding bells ever. I'm using the chamfer here. I'll include this. Here we go. Just all you need is just a slight. You can strike it hard if you want, but this is just beautiful. I'll strike with the other striking point here. Yeah. Very long period of reverberation. This is a superb piece. To get these days, without a crack and the real deal originals, just to have a new one of this size made, you're looking at least minimum $5,000 minimum. And this has history, so it's very difficult to get them these days. I kind of know a number of people that repair shrines and temples and things like that, so but still, it's difficult to do, and everyone wants to shortchange me, and to find these is just, it's tough, and therefore, I'd be happy to keep it. What a beautiful piece. I could stand here all day and try this. It's just remarkable. Just remarkable. Well, there you are. I'm considering Cell Economy Air. Like that, it definitely deserves some decent coin, that's for certain. And therefore, I'll wait around 10,000 years. I'll give this to my, offspring in like 1 billion years' time before I'll sell it that cheap. So, I'll sell it cheap, so it won't be cheap. but it won't be too expensive either. It's not going to be $5,000, that's for certain. So that really deserves, wow. This a bit more, put another one, another beam on there because of the weight of it. It could go south really quickly. So yeah, if you got hold of an iron hook or something like that, even if you set up a beam with chains, you know, in order to strike it. Well, that's that. Don't really want to get rid of it. Get rid of it. You kidding? This is beautiful. This is one of the best sounding, best bells I've ever come across. Oh, check me out on YouTube there, ABAREBUGYO, and you'll see a lot of delightful bells and a lot of delightful things that I come across. So there you are.